Hey guys, welcome. It's Redbird here, and those are my friends. Hey, you making a video? Hello, this is Steve, and I ride this raincoat. Okay, good luck with that. Kids, read out. Engelbert Page. What have you copy? No, I didn't know why. He just came back so very awesome. So he's awesome than me. Right? Yeah. Okay. Go get some more pizza. Oh man, this is going to be visit time. Hey. Hey, yeah. Hey, Kim Babe, you want to go look for with me? No. I'm a king. Now visiting everybody, you know all the difference. Look at me. You know all the difference. So be quiet. The show will start at 21. Okay. I'm taking those steps.